Hello students, Nirmala here. In this video, we will analyze the pros and cons of the local government. Now here are some pictures. Number 1, that is of Gram Panchayat, then municipal corporation. These two are the local government bodies in village and in cities, and they are elected by the citizen, by the residents of that area. They decide to elect them through their votes to form the government, and that is, it is written here, your vote, your decision, your government, your life. Now we will first see the impact of local government bodies. This new system of local government is the largest experiment in democracy conducted anywhere in the world, and there are now about 36 lakh elected representatives in the panchayats and municipalities, etc., all over the country. It means that the number of local government bodies that are in India and the number of elected representative is the largest in the world. The amendment made by the Constitution in 1992 had strengthened the democracy by decentralization in government system. It means giving upper hand to the local government to solve the problem of the people, of the resident of that area. And women's representation, which is only in the local government, and voice in our democracy has been increased tenfold through these local government bodies. Now, instead of having such a large impact on the local government, there are some difficulties as well, and these are they. Number 1, we know that the elections are held regularly for these government bodies, but Gram Sabhas are not held regularly. We had seen about the Gram Sabha that supervise the work of the Gram Panchayat, and they have to held the meeting twice or thrice in a year, which is not being held as per the schedule. Most state governments have not transferred significant powers to the local governments. We have seen earlier that state government transfer power to the local government, then only it has the ability to work efficiently. But not all the state governments in our country transfer these powers to the local government. They are not given adequate resources to work for the welfare of the people. And that's the end of the chapter. Have a nice day.